Yeah, good evening and happy weekend to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorun Lowayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer within the Kringle community. Guys, as you can see on my screen, there are two men. One who has the rich thinking and the second one who has the poor thinking mindset. I want you to listen attentively and watch me closely. What are you thinking? What is your mindset? I want you to watch these little clips and decide which group, which side are you, and what is that is actually in your mind. You can imagine both of them, they are planting. Both of them are planting. This is the process whereby we are paying the program fee and we are acquiring the coins. You can see from the screen. Yes, the act of wetting that plant is the act of you getting active on regular basis, on monthly basis. And the more we pay our program fee, the system grows, the community grows, and things are boisterous. So now you can imagine. So what is that is stopping you? Let's go on with me. You can imagine. Now the man with a poor mindset just acquired just one crop, one fruit, one seed. That is little. Maybe it's just the free gifts, the free kringles, or just one single payment, and you stop. Whereas the man with the rich thinking continues to water, continues to get active, pay his program fee, and guess what? Acquire more coins. Now, lo and behold, the one with the poor thinking thought that is not enough. Eat up all he got, meaning that everything that you got just stands still. You remain inactive within the community. And the man with the rich thinking continues to pay program fee and what? Process of watering and keep acquiring more coins. Yes, you can imagine, you can see now. Now, to all the active members within the community, let's keep watering. Let's keep paying the program fee. Don't listen to the naysayers who are calling us silly. They say we are busy doing nothing. Don't mind them. Just let us be focused. The more we are focused, the more we pay the program fee, the community grows. We expand in leaps and bounds. We expand in numbers. And also, we acquire more coins and our community grows. So you can imagine, you can see. Yes, now you can see the man with the rich thinking continues to water us. Now, this is what will happen the moment we finish our distribution period. We have enough and abundance coins to use, to spend, and to sell out, to give out. And at that time, those who are having the poor thinking, the poor mindset now, because they refuse to plant, they refuse to water, they refuse to nourish, they refuse to pay the price. Now they have nothing else to eat. And what is happening? They are asking, can we give them to eat? Guys, but you know what? Yes, this is what will happen. The moment we get to our full economic blow, for every coin you have, for those coins in your wallet, we will be the exchange. And for anybody coming into the community, or for those who refuse to get active now and acquire more coins, they will come needing the coins. The next thing for you to do, okay, they are buying from us. Guys, do you know what? No discounting. They will buy from us at the actual current price of our kringles at that time. So, guys, for as many who are active, don't relent. Let's keep on. Let's focus. You can see now, that is it. They don't have anything else. Then they will now become sober, asking us to give unto them. So, guys, I encourage you, for all active members, let's continue to be active. Let's promote this community. Let us go out all prospecting, bring enough people into the community, and let us end this one. Once we end the education period, guys, get what? We enter into our full economy and everything will become rosy. and we will change this world for a better place. Why? Because we have enough to give out. We have enough jobs to create. We will be able to create enough jobs. Why? Because we have already built a system from ground up that is formidable, strong enough to supply, to give, and to feed humanity. So, guys, I encourage you, keep on, don't relent. Very soon, we shall all laugh best. So, guys, let's continue to pray our program fee for the community for the community to continue to develop, and for the system to continue running. I love you. I want you to like this broadcast, and now also press that button on your right hand side. Subscribe to it for subsequent broadcasts. Thank you. Love you all. God bless you. And for as many who are watching this and you're not yet a member of the Kringle community, I encourage you. I urge you, come on board. Below this video, you will see a link there. Click on that link and register. Then contact me for subsequent guidance. Love you all. Thank you. Bye for